Welcome to the Ultimate Cloud Quiz Showdown. Today, we pit two giants against each other, Google Cloud Platform and Amazon Web Services. Whether you're a cloud enthusiast or a seasoned architect, this quiz will challenge your knowledge and understanding. Google Cloud Platform, or GCP, is renowned for its cutting-edge artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities, robust data analytics, and seamless global infrastructure. Meanwhile, Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is a trailblazer with an extensive service portfolio and unmatched global reach. This quiz features challenging questions on GCP and AWS, covering foundational services to advanced concepts. Take notes, think critically, and try answering before checking the explanations. It's your chance to engage and test your expertise. Challenge your colleagues or friends to see who becomes the ultimate cloud expert. Even if you don't know all the answers, each question provides valuable insights into GCP and AWS. Track your score and strive to improve. Let the showdown begin, and may the best cloud champion win. Dive in, learn, and enjoy the journey to cloud mastery.